Hi guys, being an actor having a fitness regime is really important. It is not just about looking your best but also feeling your best. I am Prince Cecil and I'm in conversation with Plix Live TV today. I'm an actor and a fitness enthusiast and I'm going to share some secrets about my life, my nutrition and my fitness regime. मेरा फिटनेस का जर्नी बचपन से चलता आ रहा है. एज अ चाइल्ड आई वॉज स्पोर्ट्स enthusiast. I used to play cricket for my state. I participated in national roller skating. मैंने बास्केटबॉल भी खेला है. आई वॉज एन एक्टिव टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर. लकीली मेरे पेरेंट्स जो हैं उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया है इस जर्नी में. एंड आई वॉज इनटू फिटनेस फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड. बट देन जब मैं एक्टर बना एंड आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, आई गॉट लिटिल डिविएटेड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द बिजी स्केड्यूल्स आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू बैलेंस माई फिटनेस एज वेल एज माई वर्क. तो बीच में बहुत सारे breaks and inconsistency was there. Slowly I picked it up because it came naturally to me. It was very easy for me. But then, yeah, from a bad lifestyle to repair everything and feel good once again and look good was really difficult. And luckily it happened in 2015. So I would say I was a fitness enthusiast from my childhood. But 2015 से मेरा जर्नी एक अलग ही लेवल पे स्टार्ट हुआ. तो 2015 till date 2021 now, so it's been 6 years I should say. It is definitely hectic. मतलब जब shoots होते हैं तो we shoot from morning 7 to night sometimes 24 hours के call sheets होते हैं, 48 hours के call sheets होते हैं and 2-3 days हम set पे ही रहते हैं. So everything depends on work. But then the body is the only place we live in, so we need to take care of the body. We need to cope up with our schedules as well as our fitness routines. So it is really tough. It is actually really tough, but somehow we manage to do it. We find time, थोड़ा बहुत जहाँ पे भी time मिल जाता है, like in the vanity, or maybe take a run around the set, being active, doing push-ups once in a while. That's how I tend to cope up with my schedules. I'm not saying I do it every time. Sometimes ऐसे भी होता है कि 3-4 दिन मैंने continuous workouts miss किए हों because of my busy schedules. But I make sure that at least 3 to 4 days, like maintenance wise 3 to 4 days में you can always be stable. If you want results and if you want to do a transformation, that is when I think 5 days or 6 days in a week work. But maintenance के लिए, yeah, 3 to 4 days I make sure some or the other way I have some activity, like maybe playing cricket sometimes. अगर मैं gym नहीं जा सकता हूँ तो I go play a sport, I run around in the set, which is a wonderful form of fitness. So fitness is not just about lifting weights, it's also a combination of taking jogs, walks, feeling good from the inside, mentally. It's a combination of a lot of things. I think it's a 360-degree angle which I look at fitness in. So डाइट की जब बात आती है तो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि डाइट इज़ लाइक कटिंग डाउन ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. नो, इट इज़ अबाउट डूइंग एवरीथिंग but in a balance. It's mostly about balance for me rather than cutting down on rice. किसी ने मुझे बताया था कि I want to lose weight, so I cut down on rice. I don't think that makes sense. Don't cut down on the rice, but cut down on the extra quantities of rice which you might be consuming. Have portion controls, make proportions of protein, carbs and fats. Have a balanced diet and I think that will help you. And depending on your age, your BMI, your body weight, we have a metabolic rate. उसके हिसाब से consume your calories and try and burn little more. If you're losing weight, try and burn little more than what you consume, and that should be the balance. Especially for someone like me, I turned a vegetarian 2 years back, and ever since then I've noticed that there are not many fluctuations of weight in my body and I feel lighter. You remember I told you it's not just about looking good but also feeling good from the inside. I get that. So I would suggest, I won't promote saying that आपको vegetarian बन जाना चाहिए, but if you would like to, I would suggest you to try that for 14 or 21 days and notice the difference for yourself. Yes, 2015 में मैंने एक फिल्म किया था विच इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, इनफैक्ट 4-5 साल से चल रहा है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ बाहुबली इन माई लाइफ. आई हैड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म माई कंप्लीट बॉडी एंड वो टाइम पे मैं आई वॉज इन बिग बॉस. सो बाय द टाइम आई केम बैक आई लॉस्ट अराउंड 12 to 13 kgs एंड ये रोल के लिए मुझे पूरा बीफ अप होना था. तो आई डिड अ 6 to 8 month ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वेर इन आई कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म माई सेल्फ एंड मैं बातों में आई कांट इवन टेल यू हाउ टफ इट वॉज, बट दैट वॉज द टफेस्ट पीरियड इन माई लाइफ एंड आई लर्नड अ लॉट अबाउट फिटनेस, feeling good from the inside and being flexible enough. Flexibility was something that was lacking for me all my life, and once I did this transformation, suddenly I lost all the more flexibility because I put on too much muscle within little time span. So then we worked on my flexibility, and one more thing, I know I'm repeating it, but turning vegetarian helped me improve my flexibility as well. I don't know how it worked, but it did work. It is magical. It is actually magical. So 2015, 16, 17 were the years where I was doing major transformations in my life, and I think I'll show you the pictures maybe on the left or the right. Yeah, I'll show you pictures of before and after, and I had transformed myself within a span of 6 months. It was really tough, but yeah, that was the best transformation I've ever done. So जब diet की बात आती है तो see basically we do very normal stuff. We don't like overdo it. ऐसे नहीं कि कभी बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया या बहुत कम. We do only what my body needs, and I know no matter who tells you, who gives you a prescribed diet, they make portions, they make your nutrition chart and stuff like that. You as a person, when you're working out, you know how your energies are running. There is no better judge than you yourself about your nutrition. So kabhi if I am lacking energy, that is when I bump up my carb intake, and I don't go for extravagant diets like paleo or keto or something of that sort unless it is really needed. मैंने एक बार keto किया था for 14 days and I realized yes, there is little more energy in the body, but it is not something which is sustainable. You can't go keto all your life. You can do it for maybe if people, you are like a thorough professional and you want to get on stage or maybe do a massive transformation like someone from the Hollywood movies, or maybe Tiger Shroff or someone like Hrithik Roshan. We also have a few actors like Prabhas and Rana who have done it. ऐसे कोई special occasion के लिए you can get ready, but then you can't do that all your life because it has lots of side effects as well. Yes, even diets have side effects because your body is designed in a certain way that you eat everything, and once you cut down one aspect of it, you definitely have something going on inside which is not right for you. So yeah, I don't follow any specific diet. I eat whatever I want. But then if I'm doing a transformation, depending on my calorie intake, I try and balance the intake versus the output. That's it. So if I'm burning more calories, I don't mind eating more food. And sometimes I fancy my desserts as well, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, ice creams and stuff like that. And I sometimes people, my friends, they look at me and they're like, how do you manage to stuff your face like that and still look this way? Because see, I have a count of what I'm doing right now. If I'm having a vacation, I indulge in a few drinks, I eat everything what I want. I know when to go back, do my fitness in order to stay a certain way, look a certain way. So it is about a balance of your workout and your diet. I don't I don't prefer any specific diet as in carbs कम कर लिया नहीं तो keto कर लिया or you cut down on all the fats because fats are really important for your body, especially the healthy fats. I love my almonds, I love my cashew, I love my peanut butter. So yeah, these are some things which I love. And someone recently told me that यार तू बहुत घी खाता है. Yes, I eat a lot of ghee. That is something which has been with me, and I think it adds a lot of strength to my body. I'm continuing it. I have been talking about this a lot. I wake up in the morning to a smoothie, which is like the best meal of my day. And in smoothie mein there is lots of ingredients like almonds and one scoop of protein powder. I also include sometimes, see, when I have a hectic schedule, see, usually I put spinach and beetroot in it, but if I'm like on the go, running around, I'm late for work, I immediately put in one scoop of my immunity boosting greens from Plix especially. So yeah, on the go, ये मेरा nutrition का secret है. One thing which I will never let go is my morning smoothie, which has blueberries. I'll give you a brief of, yeah, one scoop of Plix protein. Then I add some almond milk, some almonds, peanut butter, spinach, beetroot. If I am on the go, I have my immunity boosting greens, one scoop of that, and it sorts out everything. I add bananas, I add blueberries, avocado. So there are a lot of things in it, and by the sound of it, you know it is going to be like really healthy. And I don't feel hungry till lunch once I have it at 6 or 7 in the morning. That's one thing I will never let go of. See, the films which I have done till now have been mostly college love stories and stuff like that, and I've played them even before I've played them in films. So yeah, I'm kind of that. But if you ask me about something which I would like to play outside films, that would be a cop. I want to be a cop for one day. जैसे one day का CM नायक में था, I want to do a one day cop thing. And actually मुझे बहुत बार ऐसे लगता है कि I can do little more justice than a few people which I have met as a cop. So I don't know if I can do it, but hopefully I'll play that character and then try and live it outside the real life. So when it comes to different types of workouts, see, I like athletic training as well as weight training. Though I shift between both. I don't have too many. See, there are a lot of people who do cross training, and then some people who are like powerlifting and stuff like that. I don't fancy powerlifting because 1-2 times I've seen powerlifters, they lift so heavy that their tendons don't support the kind of weights they lift. And see, our body is designed in a way that you need to strengthen the skeleton system, then the joints, and then your muscle. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि कुछ कुछ practices में your muscle grows but your joints don't, and you can injure yourself seriously when that happens to your body. So I don't fancy powerlifting because it doesn't suit my line of work, but otherwise, yeah, the things I enjoy are athletic training and weight training. Coming back to weight training, people I see go to the gym, run on treadmill for 1.5 years and don't do weight training, which I don't suggest. I would like to see people weight train and then maybe do a little bit of cardio here and there around weight training, because when you're training, when you're lifting weights, you're already burning calories, enough calories. So you break down your muscle, you build more muscle. If you are running on a treadmill for 1 hour, you're losing fat, you're losing your muscle as well, and you don't have any way to build back your muscle. So that is when you become skinny fat. Skinny fat is your muscle percentage versus your fat percentage, which is like very low. I don't fancy that, so I like to lift weights. See, my tip would be very simple. I would ask you one question. If you are not fit and if your body can't withstand your life, where else are you going to live? This one question, if you ask yourself every day, I don't need to give you any inspiration or any kind of talk regarding how fit you should be and why you should maintain your fitness. You know the answers. I'm just questioning you. And if you have an answer, yes, you're doing it right. So, guys, it was nice talking to you. I hope you liked the conversation with Plix Life TV. Stay tuned for more conversations like this. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys.